Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this 2-in-1 hedge trimmer from the manufacturer to do a review. So let's unbox it, look at its features, put it to use, and see how it works. Okay, let's take it out of the box. I've got a guard, a screw, and a screwdriver to attach the guard. And a hedge trimming blade. Okay, here's the manufacturer that sent me this for review. It does not come with a battery. However, this is designed to equip the DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion battery. That was not included, but I have one of those that we'll use and demonstrate. Okay, it comes with two different blades. That's why it's called the 2-in-1 cutting shear or hedge trimmer. It has this 5.2-inch width grass shear that'll cut a thickness of 0.32 inch. Then it has this hedge trimmer that's 8.7 inches that'll cut a maximum of 0.16 inch. Okay, you have these two buttons on the side here, the black buttons that you can press, and it allows you to adjust the handle up to a 45-degree angle for ergonomic comfort according to how you're cutting grass or using the hedge trimmer. And you can adjust that at any different kind of angle. You have the safety switch here on the side here. You have the activation switch underneath that. So the activation switch will not operate unless you press this safety switch. And then once you release it, then it will turn back off. You have the rubber handle for ergonomic comfort, to reduce vibration and better grip. And to change out the blades, you have these two buttons on each side. You just simply press these two buttons, and you can press these two buttons here and just fit these in the groove, and they'll snap right into place. And then you have the hedge trimmer, 8.7 inch. Okay. Again, to change the blades, press these two buttons. Press them back in. Then you have the hedge trimmer there. Okay, it comes with a protective guard shield that needs to be screwed into this hole right here. So let's get that installed, and then we'll give it a try. To install the DeWalt battery or equivalent, just line up the slots here, and then you're ready to go. So to activate it, press the safety switch, and then you can press the activation switch. When you release the switch, you'll have to press the safety lock switch in order for it to work again. Okay, so safety switch is on. Let's change the blade out. See how the hedge trimmer works. Works very good. Okay, this puts out a 400 watt maximum output power, 1200 RPM. So let's take it outside and give it a try. Trims up very easy to use, lightweight. Okay, let's switch to the grass shear. Let's raise the angle up. Very easy to use. After using this grass shear and hedge trimmer, I do have to say this is a very effective 2-in-1 tool. Very easy to change out the blades, and it cuts very well. Using this to cut and trim the knockout roses was like cutting through butter. It was very easy, and this easily cuts into grass. And I really love the adjustable handle that it has. Again, it does not come with a battery, but this is made for the DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion battery. So I'm very pleased with the performance of this tool. This is one I'll definitely use year after year. So I highly recommend this tool.